Happy belated birthday, dear Kashaya. Happy belated birthday to you. How belated old are you now? How belated birthday are you now? How belated birthday are you now? How belated birthday are you? Are you one? Are you six? Are you 10? Are you 12? Are you 14? Are you 15? Are you 15 and 1 day?
Wish and blow your candle.
Don't spit on the cake. I want this.
Woo! Happy birthday, Ugly. Happy belated birthday, Ugly.
Not ugly, that's very pretty.
Whatever. God, thank God there's cake. No. Because I just started recording.
How do you like your phone?
It's cool. Guys. Hi. First vlog since I've been back. In Canada. Yeah. Anyways, right now, today is Sunday, April the 24th. And I'm headed to my mom's shop right now. We're having a surprise party for my sister and my aunt. My auntie Valerie, my favoriteest aunt in the whole wide world. So I'm heading over there right now. It's after 3. The party starts at 5. I want to be there because the DJ's coming to set up all that good stuff. I was decorating there earlier this morning, me, Mom, and Mar. So I'm going to drive over now. And yeah, so I just wanted to say I'm back. Welcome back to me. Yay. I have on my head wrap just in the front. I'm just kind of tying down my edges and stuff like that. And yeah, yo, you guys see how dark I got from Jamaica? Oh my God. Anyways, let's go. But I'm not gonna chat up on the ear for too long. Okay, be right back. Shoot. We know the style, know the style, know the style now. We know the style, know the style, know the style now. The malama. Remember me, Billy up when we see you did a broke down. I know your hype you fuck with a little nigga uptown. But just wait till me up, y'all gonna see how I look down. The wine could steal your bus when me carrying a touchdown. Hey, hey, girl, you too blood clot, jealous and you want like say you can't rank. Say you can't rank, well since you are miss right. Well, a Chinese jada. My new favorite song. Oh my God, of course it's Alkaline. Why is the highway so big?
Fuck when they fuck on them and be safe. Them got them wouldn't do one day. Them talk about me like every day. Them talk about them like not one day. Trust everybody just a follow me. No feel never key for the city. One of the gen of them know when I fit me. You know fuck it to me, they couldn't sit me. One time I never too clear, but I'm picking. Nobody got me feeling because I love you. They never tell you nothing trouble when I'm trouble.
Yo, you guys taking this song. It's so funny.
I look like I ran taxi communism.
If you guys have never heard of it, I don't even know what it's called, but it's so funny.
Boy, that's a hurt up my silence. Driver, is what smells so boy? All me know. Every route have a frozen taxi man. Every route have a frozen taxi man, and that me understand. Every route have a frozen taxi man, whether they drive a taxi car or a taxi van. If I need one, every route have a frozen taxi man. But you say, if me afraid to take taxi, Lord God, people nobody ask me. Me take a taxi, sit back and I relax and descend from the driver. I'ma hold me hand and box me.
Money pull up for the greatest. Tip a little rum in the Baileys. Baby, you just a bubble and beer things. Me get rich now, you see the changes. Dog, everybody happy what a day it is. Roll up on the sun like waves did. Bump around, me walk around. Bend over now, fi touch it out. Now you know you're flexible. You feel like you want to fuck. Just ever get to your work.
And
And you stay home and feel nice and fuck some girl. See myself. It's a big league. Yeah, a the big league. Right now, me I live my life and you know some of life real. It's a big league. It's a big league.
Boy, Tata Blacks has been singing big deal.
Right now, me thing up like 7 on them cars with the eye job. Ready, I watch out me business, them lead with the eye jobs. Bumbo clock, man, I love all of them, dolly bigger than the pirate. If you get to you know,
Hey,
we don't change how we grow. We just need to know. Live me life like a show.
oh my gosh. Okay, wait. Let me share this with you guys. Okay. So you guys know my curly wig that I brought to Jamaica, right? That I made for Jamaica. Okay. So when I came back, as you've seen, I was natural. Like I just had my hair out or whatever. I didn't wear the wig up back, but whatever. I had my wig, and then like I was beating it a little bit this week or whatever. Just like if I was like going to the store in that event, I needed to wear the wig just to look presentable outside. Not that my natural hair. Anyways, yeah. So just saying, not that natural hair does not look good on its own. It's just that mine was not it wasn't listening to me, so I needed the wig. So anyways, one day I was on the road, and this day I wore my wig. I went to eat Taco Bell. I was craving it. You know, they don't have tacos in Jamaica, and like not no Taco Bell or whatever. So yeah, so I left Taco Bell and I was walking to Walmart. No, I lied. I was gonna go to the hair store because I was getting the stuff to make this unit, right? So on my walk there was a tree, and so I've seen the tree coming. I approached the tree. I kneeled down like that just to go underneath the tree. All I felt was the wig clips rip out of my head because they weren't actually clipped into my hair. I never actually really used my wig clips, right? Except for the day of the funeral, because I was like, I know I'm gonna have the babies in my hand or whatever in case people want to drop down or whatever, and they want to pull it while I'm going down. I need that, right? So I never used my wig clips other than that. So yo, tell me how the friggin' branch took off my hair. It took off my wig on the street. I had a stocking cap under. The one time I decided to wear a stocking cap underneath my hair, and my hair wasn't even braided properly. Like I just did some like slack braids to go back, because like I said, my hair wasn't working with me properly, so I couldn't even catch it properly to like braid my hair tight enough to how I needed to braid it. Miras. I had to take that shit off the branch so fast and friggin' run behind a garbage can. Yeah, I had to run behind a big old dirty trash can and fix my hair. It was so funny because my wig wasn't on properly for the whole time until I went into the dollar store, which is like the closest store, and I just flipped that shit back and I put it back on. But yeah, that's my story time for today. The time the branch took my hair off my head, like literally ripped it off my head. But yeah, that's what happened to me this week. And it's a good thing I don't have a lot of like, it doesn't take a lot, or it takes a lot to get me embarrassed. So like that wasn't embarrassing to me like the least bit, like at all. Wasn't embarrassing. Like I died of laughter. I was dying of laughter. Like I was on the street, people are probably like, what is wrong with this girl? And if anybody had seen that and put it up, like I wouldn't even blame them for putting it up, because that shit is comical. But I guess it all depends on who you are, because like I said, if I seen that going around viral, like I wouldn't kill myself, but there's probably people out there that would. So be careful, guys, of what you post and repost and stuff like that. That's also a form of bullying. I learned that at church. I did. Or Kingdom Hall. I'm not supposed to say church. I'm meeting. It's not church. Sorry, Dad. Yeah, that was so freaking hilarious. But anyways, I'm almost at my mom's now. Are you guys tired of this rhythm yet? Because I'm not.
If you ask me, girl, a change and I don't like that. No. Do not make everything go to waste, baby, please fight back. Wow. Have some faith in a man when I grow like that. No. What make you do the done that? Don't we would I never do that? No, no, no way. I'm stressed out, I'm miss my friend. Them no understand I get to joke them. You mean the world to me, no girl.
Tiffany, I miss you. You mean the world to me, girl. I love you.
So that we not true then.
Can't believe you get a new friend.
And if I know me, then I wouldn't. You give up on me, you want no chance, don't show it all away. And me, I bring it one little long and I lose grip on me. Yeah. Alright, now I'm just so confident. Nobody distress me, nobody will think I'll call me.
Okay, I'm at my destination, guys.
Remember, if you even watch what people say, they even reach now in a life still. You hear that?
So cool, no matter what time.
Yo, Milanite.
No matter 10 times. Hey, yo.
You're beautiful.
Oh, no, maybe I make it on hear them over there.
Hey yo, bad girl.
Have I had something today?
If you know your pum pum clean, girl, what are you worrying about?
Hey,
What's up?
hey,
Big
big bumper
bumper,
girl.
girl.
You be like, back it over me.
like
When you're on the mic,
Pussy good.
your body tight. Back it over you. When you're on the mic. Yeah,
Girl,
me
you
and the
want
sweet
state
and
of
the
the
heart. Yeah,
Your body, your world class pussy me want.
yeah, I
You
love
love
all
when
your
you call and tell me you miss the fuck. And you love when you lift and walk. Girl, call and tell me you miss the fuck. When you bumper, girl.
You may like. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. The struggle for fat people to get out of cars. Like, bruh. I gotta find the key. My mom is here. Yeah, my bag, my read. With something. You guys how it looks. So anyways, I gotta fix that balloon. But yeah, this is like the something to table. You come in, this is the first thing that you see. And then all the damn pom-poms fell down. Gotta put some more tape on those. And then this I gotta glitterize. This is the signing boards. And yeah, so I'm gonna get to work and finish and catching with you guys a little bit later. I'm so excited. It's my favoriteest aunt and my favoriteest sister's birthday. Like me. So
It's a surprise.
she's so dumb. You want to?
Don't turn, no tricks, don't turn for me. Catching bricks don't concern me. So forget it, little midget. My mind on 7 digits. Fucking down on spot, saying you came front. So from this day forth, you look, I see you, so she's out the gun. Shotgun in the drop, the door with the girl, she's chasing me, facing me.
It's for the vlog.
Why is it so bright? Watch us that.
Okay. Do it again and again. Baby, baby, baby. Ooh, I get so high when I'm around you, baby. I can't touch the sky. You make my temperature rise. Noah or Zoe Koa. Hey. Oh my god. Mommy, customer. So guys, surprise party. My sister was not surprised at all. Like, in fact, she's actually very angry. She kind of disowned me as her sister. But that's okay. She don't really love me again by next week when it's her birthday. Huh? 562? No. Yeah. Yeah, I put up like 2 since this week. Yeah. Oh. She loves me too. From her nose to her cheek. Tasia. He's dead, you know. Do you know he died? Sorry. Why? He died though. You chat too much. You chat too much.
Step by step, we are getting stronger.
Drink a shot. Drink it. into something.
First cut is the deepest. Just to have you by my side. Just to have me dry the tears that I cried. I'll give you a try.
Come on, drink it.
If you want to try to love again, baby, you can't.
Because you want to let me up, roll me on this and I'm loving it to how we are one go. And I love you, girl, and I can't get over this. So make it tell you something, but I want to do.
Love Tony Rebel.
I'm in love with the rebel. So tell me, do you love the rebel? Watch me now, so if it is no, I see you don't say so. But if it is yes, I want you to say the best. And never forget that you will never regret. Cause my love will last over the best life.
You're trusting me for this? Oh. Okay.
Okay,
Go, guys. Go. Go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Latoya. That's Valerie.
Where are they?
Happy birthday to the two of you. How old are the two
I'm
of you
recording.
now? How old are the two of you now? How old are the two of you now? How old are the two of you now? We won't say come blow the candle. Blow the candle? Yes. Wait. You guys make a wish first. Okay,
Can you record?
Watch out. Jesus, Lord. Okay, ready? Okay.
Hurry up.
Go.
Hey!
Yay! One more. All right then. Yay!
See, you get a knife from the plate. It's right here. Hey.
That's not the right spelling of Valerie's name.
Come, you guys. Hello. Come. Hello. Put your hand on something. I'm going to cut the cake. Ready?
Hey! That's a nice cut.
That is mine. No, don't take it out. Your wish won't come true. Don't take it out. Your wish won't come true.
So you take it out. Yo.
Oh, my wish won't come true.
All right. Done now.
I don't like this guy. He's a rapist. Thank you for my cake, guys. Thank you.
Thank you for a cake. Thanks for a cake.
Thanks for my cake.
Yeah.
Woohoo.
Yo, I'm gonna have that cake. We're talking about your cake, dog.
It's mine.
Tell me about that. Half of that is mine. Half of that cake is mine.
I'm not cutting it, eh?
Hey, my beautiful family. I love you guys.
Really? Yes, really.
Hey, fam. We're celebrating. I know one thing's sure.
In the name of love, and I'm gonna clap in the name of love. Clap in the name of love. I'm gonna step in the name of love. Step in the name of love. In the name of love.
Me use my hand call my money. Me use my hand cook my food. Cause the girl can't cook for me. I know I just use my hand up. Just for them for all.
Stop it!
She said before me say England rain. In a me room she a sing for a rain. Do a CT scan. Money for my brain, dog. Money for my brain. Jane and Finch, 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 Jane and Finch. Western, Rexdale, Malton, Scarborough, Brampton,
Jungle pepper, England can cause. See that I'm a blood clot place. But it in a hand, me no have none to be holding up the blood clot place. See that I'm a blood clot.
No, we don't like that. They don't like it. No, we don't like that. They don't like it. No, we don't like that. They don't like it. No, we don't like that.
Somebody burn them.
Do the maths, Asian bread. What am I gonna do? I love you too. Take off.
Nighttime, the city brings a sleepless night.
The walls will hold me tonight. This town is just in Let me take a bite.
See yourself to the time, you know, I represent the leaders of force.
Tell them that is human.
See yourself to the time, you know, I represent the leaders of force.
That's it for tonight. I think I should end the vlog here, but I'll wait till I get home. Very much.
Good night, everybody.
Thank you. Good night.
Don't ever come here yet.
See you again at the next event, July 1st. I won't be here. I'm home. I hate when I come home and take off my stuff and it's cold outside because my body is so dry and so itchy. I love when I go to parties because, ow, I don't have to cook for the rest of the week, especially when it's like a party that my mom is, you know? Shoot. Me and Marlon are set for life. I got my rum cake. Got some old Chinese food from the other night. I'm gonna eat that. Marlon has juice for work. Woo! Thanks, Mom. And then we got food. Oh, big plate of food. Can you guys tell I'm a little bit spoiled? Just a little? Just a little bit. Nothing too serial. But yeah, guys. This is where I'm gonna end today's vlog. Yeah, this is where I'm gonna end today's vlog. I'm tired. I'm gonna go rod up my hair, twist it up and stuff, and get ready for bed. It's 12:01. Happy birthday, Auntie Valerie! It's her birthday now. Happy birthday, Auntie Valerie. I hope you were surprised. I hope you enjoyed your day, and I hope we made you feel special, because you are special and you are so loved. I love you so much. You're my favoriteest auntie in the whole wide world. I love you, love you, love you, love you, love you so, so, so much. She's honestly the best. Like, she's the best. And I hope you live to see many, 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 many more. like this video, leave a comment below. Yes, please leave a comment below. Let me know that you watched this video. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.